Moment of inertia of an area. Example is a T-section. Ang gagawin natin first is find the area. To solve for the area, i-divide natin yung T-section into component rectangles. Yung web, tawagin nating area 1, and yung flange is tawagin nating area 2. Area 1 is equal to 300 by 500 or equal to 150,000. Area 2 is equal to 900 by 100 or equal to 90,000. So the area of the T-section is equal to area 1 plus area 2 equal to 240,000. Next step is locate the centroid of the T-section. Say ito yung centroid at yung distance niya from the bottom is tawagin nating YB. And to solve for YB, we take moment of area about the bottom. The moment of the total area about the bottom is 240,000 times YB, and it is equal to the sum of the moment of the component areas about the bottom. For area 1, the moment of area is 150,000 times the distance of its centroid from the bottom is 1/2 of 500. Then plus the moment of area 2 is 90,000 times the distance of its centroid from the bottom is 500 plus 1/2 of 100. So YB is equal to 362.5. Ngayong alam na natin yung distance ng centroid from the bottom, that is 362.5, then itong distance na ito is 500 minus 362.5 equal to 137.5. Next step is solve for the centroidal moment of inertia. Gamitan natin ang dalawang solutions. Solution 1, gawa tayo ng plane passing through the centroid. So nahati yung T-section into two parts, the upper part and the lower part. And yung upper part, i-subdivide natin into component rectangles. So ang nangyari, yung T-section ay nahati into three parts. Then solve for the moment of inertia of the three parts about the x-bar axis. So Ix bar is equal to, para sa first part, yung centroidal moment of inertia nitong rectangle na ito is 1/12 times the base is 300, the height is 100 cube. Then i-transfer papunta sa x-bar axis, so plus the area distance square. The area is 300 by 100 times the distance is 187.5 and then square. And dahil dalawa sila, so times 2. Then plus, para naman sa second part, the inertia of the rectangle about its base is 1/3. The base is 300. The height is 237.5 and then cube. Plus, para naman sa third part, the inertia of the rectangle about the base is 1/3 times the base is 300 times the height is 362.5 cube. So Ix bar is equal to 8,262,500,000 or equal to 8.2625 times 10 raised to 9. Next, solution 2. Maghanap tayo ng axis kung saan madaling mag-solve ng moment of inertia. So in this case, yung axis is at the junction of the flange and the web. So gawa tayo ng cutting plane sa junction ng flange and web. So nahati yung T-section into two parts. So Ix is equal to, para sa first part, the moment of inertia of the rectangle about the base is 1 over 3 times the base is 900 times the height is 100 cube. Plus, para naman sa second part, the moment of inertia of the rectangle about the base is 1 over 3 times the base is 300 times the height is 500 cube. So Ix is equal to 1.28 times 10 raised to 10. Then apply the parallel axis theorem. Ix is equal to Ix bar plus area distance square. Ix is 1.28 times 10 raised to 10 equal to Ix bar is unknown plus the area of the T-section is 240,000 times the distance D is the distance between the X bar and the X-axis, 137.5 and then square. So Ix bar is equal to 8,262,500,000 or equal to 8.2625 times 10 raised to 9.